Hello everyone, it's 5th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. On the first page we have SC tells state to replace distressed BLOs for SIR. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have bilateral bonds. Here you can see a picture of Prime Minister Modi and Russian President Vladimir Putin coming. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Indigo cancels 550 flights, airports see continued turmoil. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have DOE launches AI innovation drive targeting 5 lakh students. Again, very important for science and tech as well as education perspective. Then we have nursery admissions application window opens December 27. It's the last date. Again, very important for education perspective. Then we have Omar government sends report on revised quota policy on LG. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Assam minister and travel body meet amid row over ST tag for six communities. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have Lucknow mayor visits slums to identify illegal immigrants. Opposition questions her authority. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news, the push to globalize Indian storytelling, again very important. Moving forward, we have China's story of rural revitalization, again very important. Then we have how the Mahad Satyagraha shaped constitutional discourse, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have Prime Minister welcomes Putin at airport in warm gesture, hails India-Russia partnership, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Putin's visit, a tightrope walk for Modi government amid sanctions threat, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have urbanization, migration led to voter roll flaws, says government, again very important. Then we have US deported 3,258 Indian nationals in 2025, since highest since 2009. Jaishankar in Rajya Sabha, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Parliament approves bill to levy exercise duty on tobacco, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Going forward, we have MP CM releases 3 cheetah into the Kuno National Park, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Supreme Court to review clause in 2025 order that contradicts Assam Accord, again very important. SC declines to halt demolitions in Bareilly, asks residents to move to HC. Then we have India cut sharp Russian oil imports by sharp 38% in October, again very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Putin says there are points he can't agree to in US plan to end the war. Then we have UK sanctions Russia's GRU over Salisbury poisoning. Then we have Zohran Mamdani Lorbe makes the list to most mispronounced words of 2025. Then we have Asim Munir appointed as Pakistan's first Chief of Defence Forces. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.